Are we about to see buses driving themselves? Hello, I'm Dominic Walker. Welcome to JMW's Inside Man YouTube channel. Please subscribe to the channel. Now, a bus company has announced that they're going to test out autonomous buses in Scotland. Patrick Boyers is a solicitor who specialises in transport law. So, Patrick, I've got this vision in my mind of buses just driving themselves. What exactly is an autonomous bus?
Well, no, you're not too far from the truth. In theory, that is exactly what it's supposed to be. The one that's recently launched in Scotland, in theory, is a vehicle that has either got some pre-programming or some kind of technology that means it can run along its registered route or its service without the need for a driver. Whether that we will truly have 100% autonomous buses, I'm not quite sure. Sounds like the start of Terminator or something.
And you're here on the Inside Man YouTube channel. We talk about legal issues. So clearly this is going to throw up some legal issues to be considered. What sorts of things do bus companies need to think about when introducing autonomous buses?
Anytime you get new concepts like this, like autonomous buses, you'll get legal issues. But that's because, they're new things. The bus operators have got a whole host of legal requirements, rules and regulations that they need to uphold to. They need to have good service quality, punctuality, and obviously they need to have consideration for the safety of other road users. Whether or not these are issues at the moment, we don't know, because, again, we're not quite sure with the technology. Presumably there's been dialogue with the regulator about this type of service. But my initial concern is just quite how they're going to maintain, customer satisfaction and the proper running of registered services.
And I know that you work with a lot of different organisations in relation to transport. So how can you and the transport team at JMW help businesses? Yeah,
it's as I said, new ideas are good. In particular in the transport sector, with things like electric vehicles, different types of, obviously, autonomous buses. These are all good ideas, but what's important is that when you bring them in compliantly, and you bring them in a way that doesn't, as you say, raise concerns and avoids any sort of potential disaster that might come with. So that's what I do. I'm here to help people bring the new ideas to life and get them introduced to the sector.
Patrick, thanks for your insight. If you'd like to contact Patrick, you can email insideman@jmw.co.uk or call 0161 82 81 999. Please also subscribe to the JMW Inside Man YouTube channel for the latest legal news, hints and tips. I'm Dominic Walker, JMW's Inside Man.